Dear colleagues, in this short video, I will demonstrate how to create quick submit in Turnitin. So you should log in Turnitin as a instructor. So click on user info. Here you should activate the quick submit. So you should select yes and you should click on submit. So after submitting or after activating the quick button, this quick submit button will be visible on the Turnitin. So for submitting manuscript, so click on quick submit. Already submitted 2 files. For submitting new files, click on submit, and you should customize your search. Like you should check all these boxes, and also one important thing is you should select the node repository and click on submit. Author name and manuscript title, and you can select the file from computer or Dropbox and Google Drive. Then you should upload and you will get the similarity report. For example, let me try. So for example, I'm selecting an example document, I'm uploading it, and you will get the same steps which we used to follow earlier, and click on confirm and go to an inbox. So here you will get the option. So if you want to submit another file, click on submit, and again you should follow the same instruction and select the standard select the node repository and click on submit, and you enter the author details, select the file from your computer and click on upload. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you.